Their threats weren't idle. The Taliban vowed to attack any methods used by US-led NATO troops to supply weapons for war, and they have. Today they admitted to planting a bomb in Afghanistan which destroyed 22 trucks and injured one person. This is what's left of the 18 fuel trucks and 4 supply vehicles which were parked up in Aibak, the capital of Samangan province. It's all just weeks after land routes through Pakistan were reopened in agreement with America. The country recently struck a deal after apologising for inadvertently killing 24 Pakistani soldiers in an airstrike in November. The location for today's blast was the same province where prominent anti-Taliban lawmaker Ahmad Khan Samangani was killed at the weekend at his daughter's wedding in a suicide bomb attack where 22 other guests also died. Police are now on high alert because in the next province they rounded up 10 more suspected members of the Taliban who were caught trying to attach more bombs to other supply trucks. I'm Marvarine Cole. For more news, go to our website ibtimes.co.uk.